If you're planning an Alaska cruise and want a practical guide on what to bring, this video is for you. Today we are sharing exactly what we packed for our Alaska itinerary on board the NCL Encore, detailing what worked, what we were glad we brought, and the essential items we recommended for this specific region. Packing for Alaska requires a different approach than packing for the Caribbean or Europe because the weather conditions fluctuate constantly throughout the day.
Packing for an Alaska cruise can feel confusing due to the conflicting advice online. Some sources recommend heavy winter apparel, while others suggest only lightweight layers. Having cruised this region multiple times, we have found that an effective packing strategy sits right in the middle. Depending on your sailing and your scheduled excursions, in this video we will simplify the process by focusing strictly on the items we use, covering clothing, footwear, cabin organization, electronics, and health essentials, while highlighting packing mistakes to avoid. Hi, I'm Pat.
And I'm Kathy.
And we are Calm Sea Cruise. A frequent packing error is bringing bulky winter coats instead of focusing on modular layering systems. During our time on the NCL Encore, temperature shifted continuously based on wind speed, cloud cover, and whether the ship was moving or stationary. Layering provides the flexibility needed to adjust these changes. For base layers, lightweight, moisture-wicking synthetic shirts are highly effective. Long-sleeve athletic shirts are particularly useful because they maintain comfort without causing you to overheat when stepping back into the climate-controlled indoor venues.
The frequency of weather changes during a single day in Alaska can be surprising. Mornings on deck, especially during glacier viewings, require multiple layers to stay comfortable in low temperatures. However, by the afternoon, those same heavy layers would feel uncomfortable inside the observation lounge or while walking the ship's interior decks. We recommend packing neutral colored garments that can be easily interchanged. For passengers over 50, prioritizing clothing with stretch and lightweight insulation ensures comfort during long port days.
All right. The single most critical piece of clothing for an Alaska itinerary is a fully waterproof jacket. It is important to verify that the garment is rated as waterproof, not merely water resistant. As steady rainfall is common in ports like Ketchikan and Juneau, a lightweight waterproof shell jacket is much more versatile than a heavy insulated winter coat because it allows you to add or remove insulating layers underneath as needed. Wind resistance is equally important, and open decks can become exceptionally chilly due to the wind chill generated by the ship's movement.
It is common to see passengers on board who are either significantly underdressed or overdressed for the climate. A dedicated waterproof layering system is a standard choice among experienced Alaska cruisers. We highly recommend a lightweight packable jacket that can be folded easily into a day pack during your shore excursions, where weather conditions often shift with changes in elevation. Jackets featuring secure zippered pockets are also highly practical for keeping your cruise key card, smartphones, and gloves secure while walking through ports.
Footwear selection is another area where packing mistakes occur frequently. For an Alaska cruise, utility and traction are far more important than formal style. Passengers spend a significant amount of time walking across wet gangways, concrete cruise terminals, and uneven terrain during the shore excursions. Water-resistant walking shoes or sneakers with slip-resistant rubber soles are excellent for navigating damp decks and port pavement. For sea days, moving about the ship's interior, comfortable casual shoes are ideal, supplemented by a single pair of nicer shoes for specialty dining evenings.
Because Alaska attire is naturally heavier, luggage space fills up rapidly, making versatility key. Your footwear choices should match your scheduled excursions. For example, the White Pass Yukon route railway requires warmth and basic comfort, while glacier tracks or nature trails make it so that you have sturdy shoes or deeper tread. For travelers over 50, supportive footwear is essential, as Alaska ports typically require considerably more walking over, as Pat said, uneven surfaces than the Caribbean itineraries.
Glacier viewing days are highlights of the cruise, but they also bring some of the lowest temperatures of the voyage. During our Glacier Bay day on board the Encore, we moved frequently between the open-air observation deck and its indoor lounges. High-quality binoculars are highly recommended for these days. We did not have them because we're dumb. For wildlife sightings like whales and harbor seals that often occur. Additionally, packing compact winter accessories like beanies, gloves, and lightweight scarves make spending time outdoors on the outer decks much more comfortable.
A compact backpack is incredibly useful on glacier viewing days and excursions to hold your camera gear, water bottles, and accessories. It also gives you a place to store layers as you remove them throughout the day. We also suggest packing high-quality lip balm and skin moisturizer, as a cold wind can dry out your skin pretty quickly. Sunglasses are another easily forgotten essential. The glare reflecting off large ice structures and the water can be exceptionally bright, even on overcast days.
Excursion packing depends entirely on your specific port activity. Our itinerary included stops in Juneau, Skagway, and Ketchikan, each representing distinct microclimates. For outdoor tours involving transit, hiking, or wildlife viewing, you will want a compact dry pack, a refillable water bottle, and a reliable rain gear. A combination that worked well for us, using a lightweight, water-resistant down puffer jacket for thermal warmth in cold mornings, capped with a thin, completely waterproof rain shell for the wetter conditions.
Portable phone chargers are essential because the low temperatures and continuous photo and video taking will drain device batteries much faster than usual. For clothing, Fleece-Lined leggings are an excellent choice for women. They offer superb insulation, remain flexible for stepping on and off your tour buses, and layer easily under rain pants. If you are carrying camera equipment, consider waterproof backpack covered to protect your gear from sudden downpours. Keeping your excursion bags lightweight and well organized reduces the physical fatigue, making your days on ashore much more enjoyable.
Cruise staterooms are compact, and Alaska gear takes up significantly more physical space than warm weather clothing. Utilizing packing cubes is an efficient way to keep your wardrobe organized. Separating your excursion clothing, casual sea day attire, and covering wear saves time when dressing each morning. Magnetic hooks are another popular tool for expanding storage, though it's worth noting that magnetic strength can vary depending on the specific cabin and material the ship is constructed from.
To maximize your cabin space, we recommend, as Pat said, those heavy-duty magnet hooks rated for 25 pounds or more. These allow you to hang damp rain jackets and fleece pullovers directly from the metal ceiling or cabin doors, keeping them out of the limited closet space. A breathable, collapsible mesh laundry bag is helpful for keeping those damp clothes isolated after a misty day in port. And clear zippered utility bags work well for separating the wet gear. For early risers, a vacuum insulated travel mug is excellent for keeping coffee or hot tea while viewing the scenery from a chilly cabin balcony.
A common question among first-time cruisers is how formal the evening dress code is in Alaska itineraries. On the NCL Encore, the evening atmosphere is consistently relaxed. Norwegian Cruise Line utilizes an approach without mandatory formal nights, which simplifies packing. For especially dining and evening attire, collared shirts, high-quality jeans, or chinos and casual sport coat would be entirely appropriate without feeling overdressed or underdressed.
Evening attire for women focuses primarily on smart, casual, practical elegance rather than formal evening gowns. A tailored pantsuit or sweater dresses or dark denim paired with a quality blazer are common choices in the dining rooms. It is wise to keep a light layer with you in the evenings as indoor air conditioning temperatures fluctuate and the outer decks can cool down significantly after sunset. Because Alaska cruises involves high daytime activity levels, the evening dress standard naturally prioritizes comfort and practicality.
We highly recommend assembling a dedicated, well-organized medical kit for your cruise. Changes in weather, long travel days, and open ocean navigation can impact how you feel on board. Your kit should include motion sickness remedies, pain relievers, cold medication, bandages, and a sufficient supply of any prescription medication that you take. Crucially, always pack the medication you really need in your carry-on bag rather than your checked baggage to ensure that they are accessible during embarkation if there is an issue with your packed luggage.
The open water segment of an Alaska itinerary around Vancouver and the Gulf of Alaska can introduce noticeable ship motion. Having Dramamine or prescription motion patches on hand before sailing is highly beneficial. Know what remedy works best for you and make sure to use it if needed. Proper hydration is also important. Cold winds and dry cabin air can cause dehydration faster than many realize, making a reusable wide-mouth water bottle a daily necessity. Finally, do not forget sunscreen. UV exposure and glare reflecting off glaciers and water can be surprisingly intense.
An Alaska cruise involves a high volume of photography and videography due to the constant presence of glaciers, waterfalls, and wildlife. Bringing extra high-capacity memory cards and spare batteries for your camera is highly recommended. You'll want to pack charging cables, portable power banks, and waterproof phone pouches. Protecting your electronics from ambient moisture and light rain is a constant priority throughout this voyage.
To capture stable footage from moving excursion vessels or trains, a compact flexible tripod or a gimbal stabilizer is very helpful. For charging multiple devices, a cruise compliant non-surge protective multi-plug adapter is an excellent addition to your cabin setup, given the daily power needs of phones, cameras, and smartwatches. We also recommend downloading your cruise line's app, shore excursion documentation, and any online media files prior to sailing, as satellite internet speeds can fluctuate when navigating deep fjords. We definitely found that.
Yeah, I did.
Lastly, keeping a microfiber cloth handy to clear ocean mist from your camera lenses can be helpful.
All right, so what would we pack again? Reflecting on our cruise, there were several items we either overpacked or did not use at all. Heavy, rigid winter coats are unnecessary and occupy too much luggage space. A modular layering system is far more efficient. We also realized we brought too many duplicate mid-layers, and high-quality fleece and pullovers can easily be worn multiple times across the different days. Function outweighs fashion in Alaska.
Yeah, formal evening wear does not need to be extensive on the ship, given NCL's relaxed dining policy. Focusing your luggage space on high-quality waterproof jackets, reliable footwear, modular layers, and proper outdoor accessories will ensure a comfortable and well-prepared vacation. Proper packing is one of the most effective ways to ensure a positive Alaska cruise experience. When you are warm, dry, and well organized, you can focus entirely on the exceptional scenery and wildlife instead of managing packing omissions. Alaska remains one of the most visibly stunning destinations we really have visited. It's breathtaking.
So if you're currently planning an upcoming Alaska itinerary, feel free to explore our library of related videos, including NCL Encore and our guides to Glacier Bay strategies, haven reviews, and dining breakdowns. If you have already sailed this itinerary, please share your top packing and recommendations in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful in any way, please subscribe to our channel, Calm Sea Cruise, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you out at sea.
Bye, everyone.